You'd think changing a GE MWF refrigerator filter would be this big complicated thing. But honestly, it takes less time than heating up leftover pizza. And yes, I timed it. About 90 seconds, start to finish, no toolbox required. Most people forget to change it every 6 months, which is the whole problem. Over time, that filter catches enough gunk to qualify it as haunted. Your water starts tasting like pennies and sadness. Or worse, it slows to a tiny, sad drip. I'd love to tell you there's a big dramatic backstory here, like the water filter held secrets to national security. But the truth is, it's just quietly preventing you from drinking chlorine, lead, and debris, like a Brita filter's jacked older cousin. Here's how it works. Open your fridge. The GE MWF water filter is usually in the top right corner. It looks like a little white cylinder that could double as a prop in an 80s sci-fi movie. That's your target. First step, turn off the water supply. Technically, it's optional, but if you want to avoid the risk of spraying your fridge like a fire hydrant in July, it's smart. Find the valve behind the fridge or near your sink. Now grab that filter and turn it counterclockwise. You might have to grunt a little. It's not jammed, it's just tight from so many months of loyal service. Once it loosens, it should pop out easily. Try not to drop it on your foot. Pro tip, have a towel underneath. Sometimes there's a little water residue that spills out when you remove the old filter. Not a flood, more like your fridge crying because you took its filter away. Unbox your shiny new GE MWF filter. Take off any seals or caps, line it up with the opening, and push it in gently but firmly. Then turn it clockwise until it locks in. It should be snug but not over-tightened. You're not bolting a tire. Now turn your water back on. Listen for weird hissing noises. If you hear any, stop and reseat the filter. If it sounds normal, silent basically, you're good. Give it a test by filling a glass of water from your dispenser. Run about 1 to 2 gallons through the dispenser to flush the filter. This cleans out any carbon dust and avoids that weird gray cloud in your glass. You're not making tea out of aquarium gravel after all. Set a calendar reminder for 6 months from now. Seriously, future, you will thank you. Filters that sit too long can cause poor flow rate and compromise your fridge, like running a marathon in flip-flops. It works, just badly. I'm Scott, and I live in Portland where we take water way too seriously. We have whole conversations about mouthfeel and pH balance. But honestly, none of that matters if your fridge filter is crustier than a gas station soda fountain. It's easy to overlook something small like this, but clean water is one of those don't notice until it's gone luxuries. Change the filter, save your fridge, make your water taste like a glacier blessed by monks.